How do you feel about your own body? And how do you think about your body in comparison to other bodies? Variation. There's differences, there's patterns. Every single person, I'm sure, in every audience that I speak to knows folks who don't fit cleanly into the sort of categories we have of male or female or the genders of men and women. There's lots of variation there, and individuals themselves may feel that they have some weird variant on that. And so part of this is to get people to recognize, dude, that's totally cool. That's the way we
Yeah,
are. There's a lot of variation. There is not one way. It's not having what like genitals. Oh my God. If you like don't, porn is not a good example of what genitals look like in humanity, right? There's a
it's not.
selection, there's folk. The bottom line is if you were actually to look at a million genitals, you would see massive variation. There's a huge range in fully functioning genitalia in humans. And we have this fixation of particular kinds and particular patterns. And the same is true for every other aspect of our body. Variation is central. Now, before people get all pissed off and like the people who are hate watching start yelling, that doesn't mean that this cluster of variation that is male and this cluster of variation that is female are the same thing. They are not. They're different clusters of variation, but they don't explain all the variation in humans, and they're not two different kinds of thing. That's my punchline, right? So it's not
Yeah.
like people aren't different. It's not like there aren't some really important patterns. It's not like everyone can, get pregnant and give birth. They can't, or lactate. They can't. There's patterns, or menstruate, right? There are patterns that are really important, but it's not a different kind of creature, of being. It's all about variation in humanity.